Good morning to all. Welcome to my channel Nature's Bounty. I'm Jacinta. Today I give you few tips how to grow pure and fresh turmeric in a garden or in the pots. Before that, let me wish all the viewers a very happy, peaceful and prosperous new year. Now, come on, let's see how to grow turmeric in our gardens. This is turmeric powder. These are rhizomes or underground stems of turmeric plant. Turmeric powder that is available in the market may not be pure and fresh always. That is why we should grow turmeric in our garden or in the pots. Turmeric is originated in India. It is the most important crop of Southeast Asia and other parts of the world. Turmeric is used by the people all over the world, especially for medicinal purposes. It has curcumin compounds with powerful medicinal properties. During COVID time, this was used for preparing healthy turmeric healing drink. It's used as antibiotic not only for people but also for animals. Steamed or cooked food in turmeric leaves give flavor and fragrance. It is an essential spice in the life of every Indian. So, why late? Let's see how to grow turmeric in the pots or in the garden. In the garden, it is easy to grow. Mix the soil, plant the rhizomes, water it. When they start growing, add compost or wood ash or other manure once in 1 month. If you want to grow turmeric in pots, choose a deep and wider pot like this or grow bag so that rhizomes can spread in a wider area. Choose the bigger and best rhizomes or underground stems of turmeric from the market. Soak the rhizomes for about 3 hours and keep it in the plastic cover for 5 days. Now the rhizome eyes or tips start growing and are clearly visible. Now you have to take 60% of garden sandy soil, 20% of compost, 20% of cocopeat. Mix all together. Place some dry leaves at the bottom of the pot and fill the pot till half. Place these rhizomes facing the eyes or tips upward and later cover it with 2-inch soil on the top. Best time for planting turmeric is when the rainy season starts or onset of monsoon season. Water the turmeric plants every alternative day if it does not rain. Keep the soil moist and avoid waterlogging. So you have to choose well-drained soil. Sunlight is good and turmeric plants thrive in high temperature. Within a month, turmeric plants in the pot start growing. They grow nearly 2 to 3 feet tall and gives wide green leaves. After 4 to 5 months, leaves start drying slowly. This is the indication for turmeric harvesting. Now you have to loosen the soil, remove the rhizomes out from the soil, process them and make turmeric powder. Hope this information will help you to grow fresh turmeric in your garden. So like, share and subscribe.